First Alert 5 weather.
Great viewer photos of today's devastating hailstorm across parts of the city of Pueblo all the way out to the Mesa and points east to Avondale. Xavier took this on the far eastern edge of the city. It's right around Eastwood Heights and Dogpatch. Some very large damaging hail there. And take a look at this. Samantha took this at 27th Lane and Highway 50 out on the Mesa. Hailstones 2 to 3 inches in diameter hammered the Mesa this afternoon. That's where all the farms and fields are. Supply a lot of the crops across the area. That's the storm the folks out there didn't want to see. Going to cause a lot of damage, a lot of devastation. Charles took this from Vineland. You can see all the entire area, eastern Pueblo County, got hammered good. Having reports now of hailstones, probably the size of teacups out at the Pueblo Airport earlier today. Had the reports of windows blown out and windshields blown out at the Pueblo Airport. And at this moment, still have severe thunderstorm warnings active from Pueblo County all the way out east into the far southeastern plains. Want to focus in on Pueblo County right now. Here's the thunderstorm I'm concerned about because it's got a Pueblo in its sights, the city of Pueblo right now. This severe thunderstorm warning active until 7 o'clock tonight. Hail possibly an inch in diameter. Most of it's just off to the west of the city right now. Pueblo West getting hit with some hail there. Also a lot of dangerous clouded ground lightning, and I'm telling you, that thing is just pouring down. Heavy rainfall, severe thunderstorm warnings for this one. This is an even bigger storm. Thankfully, it's out over open country right around Lascar, but this thing has hailstones maybe 2 to 2.5 inches in diameter. Torrential rain coming out of that thing. Again, it's pushing off to the south and east at about 20 miles per hour. These are real volatile thunderstorms. Stay off of I-25 until these things pass. You don't want to mess with a storm of this magnitude. In Colorado Springs, we're getting a couple of sprinkles in some neighborhoods. Here in Rock Rim, and a couple of sprinkles right now. Still a chance we could see strong and even severe thunderstorms a bit later this evening. This model has something building up between 7 and 8 o'clock tonight across parts of Colorado Springs. You can see new model runs coming in now, decreasing the intensity with that stuff, keeping it a little further west of the city. But here we go by 8:30 tonight. Thunderstorms possible. Not looking like severe at this point with this new model run. And again, going to see that stuff push off to the south and east. The big takeaway, we're still under the gun for at least a couple more hours here for strong to possibly severe thunderstorms across a good chunk of the News 5 viewing area. By tomorrow morning, it's going to be a lot more stable around here, so that stable air mass not going to support the strong severe thunderstorms that we're seeing today. A couple of pop-up showers, thunderstorms possible. Tomorrow we're going to see temperatures cool by about 5 to 10 degrees. It's going to be even cooler around here on Saturday. A cold front backs in. We'll have a moist upslope flow around here. Saturday is actually going to be the coolest day we'll have around here for quite some time. A lot of water in the atmosphere and another disturbance coming in Saturday afternoon, so I do have thunderstorms in your forecast. Some of those thunderstorms could get strong. Low temperatures tonight dropping back into the 50s and 60s around here. Temps tomorrow not quite as hot as what we've had around here the past few days, but still into the 80s and 90s across most parts of the News 5 viewing area. On Saturday in Colorado Springs, just plan on dodging a couple of thunderstorms. Anytime you see lightning or hear thunder, get indoors as quick as you possibly can. Enjoy that 80 while you can. We're jumping right back to 90 on Sunday. Lots of sunny, dry air. Even hotter Monday, Tuesday into Wednesday. Tracking a new cold front that comes in by the middle part of next week. That'll support more thunderstorm activity and some cooler air again. Pueblo afternoon high temperatures cooling nicely by Saturday. 88 your high, and that is going to be the coolest day you'll have for a heck of a long time. That heat is going to crank real hard next week. Triple digits Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday with lots of sunshine. More thunderstorms possible by Thursday as the next cold front pushes in. And for Canyon City, a passing thunderstorm possible on Saturday. Otherwise, you'll have hot, dry weather to wrap up the weekend on Sunday. And for Woodland Park, mainly dry most areas tomorrow. Better chance of seeing thunderstorms Saturday and then more storms in the mix by the middle part of next week. Allison?